So hello everyone, in this video we will see how we can import Excel data into MATLAB. So here it's a MATLAB user interface and I have some data in Excel, so I want to import this data into the MATLAB. So let's see how we can import this. First of all, we need to change the directory where our file is. So to do that, just click this file and locate where your file is. So just select the folder. So in that folder my file is here. One way of importing data is you can by writing code or script for import, but in this video I will show a much more easier method to import the data. So to import this, select this file and click on import and just open this. So here we can see this our import interface has been opened. So in this, just like Excel, we have 3 sheets, so we can import any of sheet, and we can see this highlighted area. That means these all are selected. If I will click here, so entire highlighted will get imported into the MATLAB. That is one way of importing, but I will tell you to more handy way to handle this huge data with different columns. So first of all, what we need to do is let me show you what problem we will face if we import entire Excel. Let me click this import, and if I will open this MATLAB, so here we can see that the entire table has been imported into a single variable that is named, which name is same as the Excel file name, that is blanched and unblanched. So we can see here it named that it is. So even though if we want any particular column, in this case we need to extract out further, but that's not a handy way to import any data. Before importing any data, we need a few changes which we have to make. So instead of table, we select here column vectors, so that we can import either selecting the entire column, or here we can import any particular column. That's the advantage of this column vector. And another thing, that if we import this one, with the what name it will come. Let's see, I have select this column and just click the import data, and here we can see that it name as var name 9. So MATLAB by default it took variable name 9, that's a 9 is the column name number. So by default it took it as this. Why? Because here the variable name was picked from the row number 3. Row number 3 is this. So if I have selected this column, so here nothing is written. So we want to variable name whatever I have written in the row number 4 to, I will change it to here row number 4, so that this will consider as the variable name. So if I will select this data and I will import, let me see, the moisture ratio B should come as a C. So here I can see that moisture ratio B came as a variable name. Even I will show, let's see what it is. So the data is same which I have in the Excel file. So I recommend you to, this is the best way to import any Excel data into the MATLAB. Even if you can do multiple data, if we import this, so at the same time all data will be imported with the column vector, and variable name will be the corresponding to the row number 4. So this is the best handy way to import any data using the import tool. So I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much.